Hello everyone, myself Harini. Our project name is Lawnmower Robot and my teammate is Vinodini. It is an automated grass cutting robot that operates without human assistant and it's providing a smart and convenient solution for lawn maintenance. Let us see the working of this project. If the light blinks, it moves forward, and if the obstacle is detected using an ultrasonic sensor, and the light stops on a microcontroller and stops for 0.5 seconds and move towards the right, and the grass cutting blades cuts the grass effectively. The components used in the project are Raspberry Pi Pico, ultrasonic sensor, grass cutting blades, DC motor, L298 motor driver, boom motor, lithium battery, bow wheels and jumper wires.